By the end of this video, you're going to know everything you need to know about Profit Sell, the new offer by James Fawcett, and you're going to know all the OTOs, get my bonuses. Check it out. Okay, so I was able to get an advanced copy of Profit Sell by James Fawcett. It's a really, really great course, especially for newbies. If you're someone who's looking to learn how to build a list from somebody who's made multi-million dollars from affiliate marketing, and specifically like on Warrior Plus, and specifically just selling like make money offers, this is a great course. If you've never taken anything by James, it's very, very thorough. He actually is in here teaching every one of these modules. So it goes through all of how to build your opt-in page, build your bridge pages, how to get links that are going to work, how to 10x your profits, automate everything, get cash on demand strategy, all the traffic stuff that you need to know, and as well as like some bonuses on the front end. It's like straight to the point. I love trainings like this that just get right immediately into what you need. Zero fluff, all actionable, completely over the shoulder stuff. Yeah, and then there's bonuses built into it. So the bonuses are going to be the Profit Link list of offers. There's a free ClickBank training in here. There's a 3-day high converting follow-up series for you. And there's a done for you Profit Link funnel, all incredibly valuable. So definitely check this out. Let's jump into the OTOs real quick. Okay, so OTO 1 is going to be unlimited automation for Profit Sell. OTO 2 is going to be a done for you option. You can see all the prices on here as well. Then OTO 3, secret cash machines. OTO 4, limitless buyer traffic. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend this. It's 100% affordable. And just having been a student of James's, someone who has mentored me, this to me is the gold. This is like you're getting something that probably he could literally charge $1,000 for